Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car, park on level ground and block the opposite wheel. This prevents rolling. Once stable, brake the lug nuts 1/2 turn while the car still rests on the ground so the wheel won't spin. Next, jack at the factory lift point and support with jack stands. Safety matters. Remove the wheel and take off the brake drum or backing plate to expose the parking brake shoes. You do this now so you can inspect springs and adjuster before disassembly. Once the drum is off, use pliers to release the return springs. Be careful, these are under tension. Take photos as you go so you remember orientation. Remove the hold-down pins and the adjuster assembly, then lift out the old parking brake shoes. Compare new shoes to the originals for size and rivet placement. Install the new shoes, fit the adjuster, and then reconnect springs and pins in the reverse order. Aligning shoes squarely ensures even contact. After assembly, back the drum onto the hub and spin while adjusting the star wheel until you feel a light drag, then back off 2 clicks so it's not too tight. Reinstall the wheel and torque the lug nuts to manufacturer spec using a star pattern. This prevents rotor warping. Lower the car and test the parking brake on a gentle incline. Apply it, put the car in neutral, and look for movement. If it creeps, tighten the adjuster slightly. If it binds, back it off and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.